Good morning. It's Sunday, March 25th, and I am starting my 4-foot project that I've been planning for a little while. So I have built my form. The top piece, I will sculpt the face on my sculpting board, and then I will just lay it across the long structure. I have pre-made my concrete pot that my little person will be holding so it can be planted with flowers. I have put rebar through the legs, and it'll extend beyond so it can be supported in concrete. And then this piece that's laying up here will actually be made into the head so that it will also be formed into the body. So 3 pieces of rebar, my structure to build my 4-foot person. So we'll see how it goes. This is the beginning. Okay, well, my face is done, and I'm going to get ready to add it on to the rest of the body. I made a big batch of concrete, much different mix than I normally use, but this will be used for the inside of the body. So continuing on. Okay, well, my 4-foot sculpture is finished. The gray is no colorant, and her hair, hands, and I did put brown colorant in. Another point of view. Of how does your garden grow? So this is the completed sculpture of Love Playing in the Mud. Barbara Liss, Montana Bliss Artworks.